A day in my life. In Zanzibar.
Friday clock just hit 5. Shake the week off, feel alive. Jeans ripped at the knee, lipstick stains on whiskey. Neon lights through Uber glass, laughing at our working class. Monday's problems fade to gray, weekend vibes won't obey. Weekend vibes in stereo, bassline deep, let's move slow. Every worry left behind, dancing fools but hearts aligned. Sunday scary, stay away, we've got 48 to play. When the clock tries to intrude, we just turn up the mood, we just turn up the mood. You win all, then you did cheat.